Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope your day has been positive and productive. But today I'm coming to you with my Glam Fall Farmhouse Tablescape. But before we get into this Glam Fall Farmhouse Tablescape, if you're not a family member of the Queen of DIY, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you go and check out through the channel. Check out a couple of videos. Also tap that bell. Hit it twice and you'll know every time that I am uploading a video. Alright, if you want to see what I created for this Glam Fall Farmhouse Tablescape, please continue. I am participating in the Glam Fall Farmhouse Tablescape. Now this Glam Fall Farmhouse Tablescape is hosted through the group Glam Squad. And Glam Squad consists of 7 us wonderful ladies. And that is Stacy of Styling with Stacy. She actually spearheaded the group. Myself, Tammy of the Queen of DIY. Ellen of Glamour Ellen. Chanel from Inspired by Chanel. Candy of DIY Designs by CCW. Ian from Living Luxurious with Ian, and Betty from Elegantly Designed by B. We did this as a closed collaboration. I'm dropping everyone's channel link down in my description box, so please make sure you go over and check out their videos. Also, I'm going to drop the playlist link as well. So make sure you just hit the playlist and you'll be able to see all of our videos together. Alright, now, without further ado, I'm going to show you my Glam Fall Farmhouse Tablescape. But once you see the table, don't exit out. You know my normal routine is to show you my table, then come back at the end and let you know what I did to create that table. Alright, now without further ado, here is my Glam Fall Farmhouse Tablescape.